Hey, guess what? I'm at KTA, the best looking girl in Oahu. Wait, but who's the best cook?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to everybody. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something really easy for you. I'm gonna do a lettuce wrap. So what I did first, I dump in some sesame oil. Okay? Just about a tablespoon. Well, the thing is heating up. I washed some lettuce because this is a beautiful lettuce, Mountain Apple brand lettuce. You find it at KTA. I'm going to use this as the wrap and squeeze it out because it's so soft, this green leaf lettuce. I even squeeze it out with some hand towel. All what I need is about a half pound of ground pork. Now, you can use ground chicken, ground whatever fish or whatever it is. Here the thing seasoned already, okay? So what I do is I get this rice paddle and I smashing it down. Okay, while the thing is cooking, I dump in some garlic powder and I dump in some black pepper, just enough for taste. Okay, while the ground pork is frying, I'm gonna cut up some vegetables. Here I got some beautiful ali'i mushroom. Okay, it's grown right on this island. You can use any kind of mushrooms, chop them up into small chunks. Just like this. I don't lift my knife up so I don't cut my finger. It's about a half cup of mushrooms. Then I grab some round onions, maybe about a quarter cup of round onions. Okay, mix it all up just like this. Then I slice in some green onions. Yeah, you wash it really good. You got some green onions. Yeah, just about a quarter cup or less. Now you push all of the ground pork on the side of the pan. That's why I love this pan. You know, you can do so many things. And you dump in your vegetables. Okay? Just like they on the other side. The vegetables you can use as much as you want. You put in some water chestnuts. All the vegetables here. You're just going to soak up all the juices from the sesame oil and from the pork. Okay? So now, what I do is I mix it together. You can put in some hot sauce, gochujang. I just make it basic like this. So if anybody want to eat it any other way, they can just add in their own stuff. But this is a must. And this is what Sherry Hohi showed me, the Sherry sauce. And she even showed me how to make this great recipe. Okay, so the things I'm done, I then add in about 2 tablespoons of vegetarian mushroom flavored stir fry sauce. Add it in there and stir it around. I think it's just about over. Man, the burger smells good already. Okay, have the thing, put it in a bowl. There you go. Then you grab your lettuce, just like this, okay? You put in this, and you make it like a wrap like this. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's so hot. But you know what? This is so good. You wouldn't believe it. Until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha.